Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to beat killer Sudoku expert step by step. Start by scanning the grid for cages with single cells or obvious combinations and mark candidates lightly. Next, eliminate numbers using row, column, and box interactions to shrink possibilities. Focus on cage pairings and complementary sums to uncover hidden digits. Keep a tidy notation method so you can spot patterns and progress confidently. Begin with pencil marks for every cell, then hunt for naked pairs and triples to clear options quickly. Use complementary cage, so two cells that must total a value reveal each other through elimination. Watch for cross-line patterns similar to X-wing that remove candidates from 4 aligned cells. Alternate between scanning cages and global grid interactions to force placements, and gradually solve the toughest expert puzzles with steady momentum. When routine techniques stall, build short forcing chains by assuming a candidate and following consequences until you reach a contradiction or confirmation. Merge box line reductions with cage arithmetic to lock down digits that span regions. Track repeating sums and symmetric patterns to anticipate where numbers cluster. Stay patient and recheck earlier marks after each placement, because one correct digit often cascades into several immediate fills and clears more of the puzzle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.